Yeah, so display is flex, and then justify content would be space between align items would be center. Then after aligning items center means it would align all the items center vertically, and space between would align the items onto the corners, or giving equal space between all the elements uh, horizontally. After that, padding would be 0.5%. Margin would be 0. Then we have yeah, position would be fixed. Top would be 0. Left would be 0. Background would be FFF. Box shadow would be 0px, 0px, 10px, RGBA, tap tap tap, 0.2, and that would be not be 5 pixels. Okay, then after that we have nav ul. So width would be 300px, 100px to each element. Height would be auto. Then display, okay, let's copy this thing over here from here, basically copy it, paste it, same. Now nav ul li list style none. Then we have, after that we have nav ul lia, color would be 000 black, and text decoration, when there is a link there comes an underline and a blue color, so that would be gone, none. We would give the font family of the HTML and the body to sans serif. Okay, sans serif is a new kind modern day font, unlike the serif one which just look the old day telegraph newspapers, all those had those. Yeah, so now a hover means when hovering with mouse above any element, the color should change when we give this function in the CSS. To hover, color would be blue. We would change it later on if needed. Let's go to portfolio. Okay, see this. Okay, so everything is looking good, except it is not changing the color. Oh, once, wait once. See, we have a nav ullia. Nav ullia. We have closed the div over here, right? Now we have closed it. Okay. Let's see what happens, but before that I want to make sure that the cursor changes to a pointer cursor when we hover over it. And also another thing that I need to do is that yeah, transition is all 0.3 seconds, ease, okay, just ease. Now let's isn't change anything, not even the cursor is working properly. Style, so now we have it first, then we have the ul, li. Okay. So all these things we have written outside the anchor element, not inside the anchor element. So these have become the elements of li rather than a. Okay, let's see now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, now see this. These are working fine. Okay. After that, we have our lander section. I believe so. Yeah, lander section. So let's say it would be the lander. Yeah. After lander, we have, yeah, means we have the lander over here. Width is basically being 100% in all the cases. Height is gonna be 100 VH, means 100%. And then margin top is gonna be 50 per px. Then display would be flex. Yeah, flex. Anything you can give on basis on your taste. Align items center. Justify content center. And another thing that I need to do over here is, let's see how it looks. Yeah.